Vice Governor LB de la Merced, our Director Protecta, Director Cuevas, our Honorable Sangguniang Panlalawigan members, my different families, all the other provincial agencies and all the employees of the provincial government, the students, teachers, our youth, happy Independence Day. We ask ourselves the question, are we truly independent? Talaga bang malaya na tayo pagkatapos ng mahigit na daang taon matapos nating magkaroon ng pinakaunang flag raising sa Kawit, Cavite? Itatanong natin sa ating patuloy na lalaban against capitalism, against being Japan, starts in the mind of the people. We have to believe in ourselves that we can fully do it. So our participation program is geared towards mahalin ang sariling atin. How we can be proud as Filipinos? How we can be proud as Pinalanos? So it starts in the mind. Everything starts in the mind. Please be assured that we in the DepEd are trying our very best to really mold our children to become patriotic, to become truly Filipinos. Let us all join hands in meeting our collective goals, in making our nation a truly great one. Thank you, and once again, happy Independence Day.